Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting in the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, dear students, and my dear parents, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all present here today on this very special day, occasion of result day. I am Hasanat, student of class 6. I have selected the topic girls education to speak about her. Imagine this world full of helps, half a flower, half a sun, half your favorite movie, half your face, or even half your school. How would the world look? One world incomplete, so imperfect. So how can we even think of sending half the children to school and the other half at home? Or keep half of yourself at home and the other half in the playground? That is how defective it is when we think of boys sent to school and girls being kept at home deprived of education. Education is such a tool that makes you capable. It chases out moral and intellectual advancement marked by refinement and taste and manners. In simpler words, education makes a man. Women are born with a lot of those values. So I believe, the effort to make the society a better place, the presence of women in the society not just in the comfort of their homes, but as an active and equal participant in building up a community as a necessity. We want to see women at schools teaching our children. We want to see them nurses. We want to see them cleaning houses, or as cooks, maids, nannies, caretakers. But how about seeing them in the forefront as factory owners, business women, managers, astronauts, ministers, breadwinners of their families? How will they achieve? How will they achieve these girls if 85% of the population that resides village does not send their girls children to school? Your Excellency, the efficacy of creating a prosperous nation ceases. In Pakistan, it is the mindset of the people that needs to be altered. We must focus upon the objective modifying Pakistan from developing nation to developed nation. Even God has given the children same brain structure, same intelligence, same learning and grasping abilities. The teacher will teach us. The schools we go in, whether in cities or in village, do not differentiate or discriminate. Then who is stopping the girls from learning? Who should we term as our enemy? So it is of paramount importance to give our girls this sense of strength that they have within them. It is their belief, their ideology, their choice to study and explore the wonderful world of books. Then it is equally magnificent to educate the conservative and traditionalist families. How will they achieve these goals? Educate them that their girl child has equal to right, go to schools if there is in their village. Your Excellency, so much is being done and so much more needs to be done. Educating the girl child is a journey that will lead us to a better community and efficient nation. In Michael Obama's where no country can truly nourish its trifles the potential of its women and potential of its women it deprives itself of the contributions of health of its citizens. Best of luck.